I'm Miss Grams. Welcome to Artville at Home. Today I have to share with you what has been happening in the town of Artville. Catmandu is going to fly over there, and you can see that I have been busy making things in Artville. One time, we saw that we were making houses for the town of Artville, colorful ones because it's a colorful place, and I added a school bus and a car because I'm hoping someday to see a school bus again. And you can make a school bus and a car too. Maybe I'll show you that on another video, because today I want to introduce to you a new friend. One day a pangolin came to Artville, and Catmandu was so excited to see a pangolin. He'd never seen a pangolin before. He asked about the pangolin, and he found out that a pangolin is a spiny anteater. A pangolin is the only mammal that is covered with scales. Can you see the scales on that pangolin? So many scales. Here, now Catmandu liked those scales so much that he wanted some. So I'm going to very quickly give Catmandu some scales. Now some pangolins have roundish scales like this. Some pangolins have more pointy ones like that. So you can make all kinds of scales. Catmandu loved the scales. So I'm going to put some scales on Catmandu, and then we are going to make our own pangolin pop-up. Today we're going to make a pangolin pop-up. I'm going to use, this is an old box I had. I think tea used to be in it. You can use any kind of a box. I'm going to put it up here so you can see it a little better. Now when I'm making something new, like a pangolin is kind of hard. How do you make a pangolin? Here are some pangolin pictures that I did. You can see this pangolin, the shape of the body is really just kind of an egg shape. I like to practice with my finger so I can get an idea of what I'm going to make. And the nose is long and pointy. And he does have a very long tail. This pangolin has a baby on her back, so you might do that. You might put a baby on your pangolin. So I'm just going to make that circle for the body. If you can see that. And then I'm going to make, I think I need to tape that so it's not in our way. That. I got my circle for the body. He's got a long nose, this pangolin. A long nose. It's like a triangle, right? And then a long tail. Just another triangle like that, long skinny one. He's a mammal, 4 legs. 1. He's got little toes there. There's 2 feet, 3, and 4 feet. And actually, doesn't really have toes like that. He's got very sharp claws for digging up anthills because he is an anthill digger. He's got little eyes, and his ear is so interesting. His ear is like a spiral. And then the main thing for a pangolin is it is covered with scales. You can make pointy scales or round ones, all kinds of scales like that. He's a very scaly anteater. Now, if you want to make a mother with a baby, the baby likes to take a ride on the mother's tail. So I could make a little one. Like there's a little baby pangolin standing on its mother's tail. He's got little baby scales. Okay, there. So there's my mother and baby pangolin. And don't forget it's a pop-up. Put it on a box so it can pop up. And I like to color them before they're actually cut out so that it's just easier to color them like that. I'm going to do a pretty fast color job. They can be green or brown or pink or purple, any color you want for your pangolin. So there is my pangolin. Very colorful. Not very colorful, it's all green, but you can add more colors. If you forgot to add colors, just put some more in. Oh, that's a little kind of interesting. A little bluish. Oh yeah. Now that makes it more fun to look at. There, like that. My pangolin is getting a little bit more colorful. I think you could probably do, oh, you know what? Sometimes I saw in some pictures their tummy was kind of pinkish because their tummy doesn't have so many scales. So they have a little pinkish part on the tummy. I think I'll make a pink baby. I don't know. Then, when you've got your pangolin all ready, you're ready to cut it out. Don't forget to cut out the box. Now, next time you come, we're going to keep working on our pangolins. Next time you come to Artville at Home, we're going to make another pangolin, but this time I'm going to turn you into a pangolin. You're going to make a whole pangolin costume. For that, you're going to need grocery bags and cereal boxes, tape, I don't know what else. Okay, so here's my cutout pangolin. Cutting him out, cutting him out. Here we go. And now the pangolin is ready to be, I'll fold that part. Okay, now the pangolin is ready to be a character in my story. He can be a friend. These two pangolins could be friends now. There. And Catmandu is very happy. And don't forget, you can color your other dragons too now, because once they get to Artville, they get their colors. I don't know what about these blob monsters. What's going to happen? It depends on what your story says. Are they going to make friends? Are the blob monsters going to go away? What's going to happen? I don't know. Stay tuned. Now remember, I want you to keep making things. The main thing about Artville at Home is you can invent your own art projects. The main thing is to keep making things and keep doing things. Bye.